All right, so we're here at the Devil's Pulpit in Scotland. It's my second time here, and the trail is super hard to find. It's so short. It's less than a mile to get to the actual pulpit, but for some reason it's just super hard to find. So I linked the Alltrails. I've made a video. Hopefully you get there. It shouldn't take you more than 10 minutes to get there. One thing I do want to point out: do not park anywhere else other than this parking lot right here. Nowhere else. You should only park right here. Do not park over here. Look, let me show you. You might see some cars parking down the road over there. Do not park there, please. You will get a parking ticket. That happened to me last time. Here's a little clip of it. It's so sad. Do not do that. Ooh, not a good sign, guys. No bueno. Oh my gosh, just got back from the Devil's Pulpit, and let's see. Give me a second. Okay, either 80 pounds or 40 pounds if I pay as soon as possible. But look, there's a bunch of cars.
There's been cars here the entire
There's been cars here all the whole time. So yeah, sucks. So learn from me, guys. Don't do it. But yeah, the Devil's Pulpit is one of my favorite hikes. So yeah, let's check it out.
Yep.
This is one of the most expensive hikes I've ever done. This hike cost me a drone, a parking ticket, and some wet shoes. But is it worth it? Oh yeah. But please don't park on the side of the road. And as always, stay hydrated, be smart, and go explore those trails. See ya!